guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very proud to show you a video that doesn't exist at all on YouTube. This is the ultimate video about Roccbox versus Ardore. This is a real battle video. You'll see Ardore and Roccbox working together while I'm cooking a pizza. And so, at the end of this video, you'll see the pizzas made with the two ovens and you judge which is the best one. For this video, I used the usual 24 hours fermented dough, 65% hydration, 70% strong flour and 30% very strong flour. The only difference in the videos is about the pizza paddle. As you know, Roccbox is smaller than Ardore. And for this reason, I had to use the Roccbox pizza paddle, which is smaller than the pizza paddle I generally use with Ardore, which is a wooden-made pizza paddle. And for this reason, Roccbox pizza is smaller than Ardore one. Stop talking about that and let's show the video. See you later. And so, which is the winner? Roccbox or Ardore? Let me know that in a comment, and thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe my channel and tap the bell to get the notifications. And remember, my pizza class is available on Udemy, and you'll learn how to make a pizza toast in a regular oven. See you next time, guys! Hey, where are you going? I was just joking. So, like this video to watch more, leave a comment, subscribe my channel, ring the bell to activate the notifications, and enroll my pizza class on Udemy, link in the description. Follow me on Instagram as Gigio Pizza, on Facebook as Runaway Dough, and use the hashtag Gigio Pizza when you publish your pizzas. See you next time!